Good morning everyone. Myself K. Ritika and my roll number 244C 1A05X2. Today's my topic Green's theorem with problem. Subject differential equation and vector calculus. Subject code 23 Mat 02. Green's theorem transformation between line integral into double integral. Integral C m dx plus n dy equals to double integral or dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy, where C is traversed in positive direction. The transformation between line integral and double integral over the region is enclosed. Evaluate Green's theorem where integral C y minus sin x into dx plus cos x into dy, where C is the triangular enclosed by lines, where y equals to 0, x equal to pi by 2 and pi x equals to 2y. Let m equals to y minus sin x, n equals to cos r. Dou m by dou y is equals to 1, differentiating with respect to m. Dou n by dou y equals to minus sin x, differentiation with respect to x. Dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equals to minus sin x minus 1. By using Green's theorem, double integral C m dx plus integral n dy is equals to double integral r dou n by dou x minus dou n by dou y, dou x into dou y, integral to the 0 y minus sin x dx plus cos x dy equals to double integral r minus sin x minus 1 dx, representing it is as equation 1. Limits from x equals to 0 to x equals to pi by 2, where y equals to 0 to y equals to 2x by pi. Integral 0 to pi by 2, integral y equals to 0 to 2x by pi 2 minus sin x minus 1, where dx into dx, integral 0 pi by 2 minus x minus sin x minus 1 y 0 to 2x by pi dx, integrating first y, minus integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus 1 2x by dx, minus 2 by pi common, where integral x equals to 0 pi by 2 sin x plus x into dx, minus 2 pi by as taking as constant, integral 0 to pi by 2 x sin x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 x dx, minus 2 pi by common, x into minus cos x plus 1 into sin x plus x square by 2 with limits 0 to pi by 2, lower limit taking as 0 and upper limit taking as pi by 2, minus 2 pi by into minus x minus cos x plus sin x plus x square by 2 to 0 to pi by 2, 0 limit, lower limit and upper limit, minus 2 pi by into minus pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 pi square by 4, minus 2 by pi common, where minus pi by 2 is taking as common, and cos pi by 2 0 plus 1 plus sin pi square by 8, minus 2 pi by common, 1 minus pi by 2 into 0 0 plus 1 plus pi square by 8, minus 2 pi by common, plus 1 plus pi square by 8 represent as minus 2 pi square by 8 pi, minus 2 pi by minus pi by 4, representing minus pi by 9 plus 2 pi, where minus taking as constant pi by a plus 2 pi, minus 2 pi by where minus pi by 2 into 0 plus 1 plus pi square by 8 into minus pi by 2, minus 2 by pi plus minus 2 pi square by 8 pi, minus 2 pi by minus pi by 4, that implies minus of pi by 9 minus 2 pi by pi. Thank you.